Is Shopify worth it? Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be reviewing Shopify and we're going to be answering the question, is Shopify worth it? So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now, for those of you who don't know what Shopify is an online e-commerce tool where you can build your website, you can sell products via drop shipping, point of sale, or other tools that it provides. So it's actually a very versatile tool to use in order to make millions of dollars. A lot of people have made thousands, if not hundreds of thousands and millions of dollars through Shopify. They've created different stores. Most of the online stores are that I've seen, they all look like they were built on Shopify unless they're using some kind of custom theme, but even then there's still something that makes it believable that it was made on Shopify. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, Shopify is a free tool, but there is a pricing plan. So over here, you can see there are three pricing plans. There's the basic, the Shopify, and the advanced. As you can see, it is quite expensive. The basic one is $25 per month, and the Shopify is $65, and the advanced is $399. So most of the people are going to be using the basic one since it gives you pretty much everything that you would need. Gives you the reports, it gives you 1,000 inventory location and 2 staff accounts as well, so you don't really need anything else. But let's just say if you need 5 staff accounts and you need professional reports, then go ahead, you can go for the Shopify Plus. And there are more features. It's not like they're just that. As you can see right here, there are a bunch of different features that Shopify provides you. So it does a lot of cool stuff. You get one public storefront on all three of these, so don't worry about that. It gives you up to 1,000 inventory location on all of them around the world. So as you can see right here, track inventory, or fill orders, sell products, and multi-locations, including retail stores, warehouses, pop-ups, and more. So it is really cool. There are also third-party applications that you can use to track and just help your store's performance at checkouts as well. There are tons and tons of options that you can use with Shopify. Now, the cool thing about Shopify is they give you everything that you would possibly need in order to start an online business, right? And they also don't charge you for the first 3 months. They only charge you like $1. After that, that's the full price. But even then, it's really good. A lot of people have tried Shopify and they've made millions and millions of dollars, if not thousands of dollars. But there are also people who have failed as well. And in my opinion, I would say that those who have failed, they failed simply because maybe their prices were not that good. It could be a lot of things, but it just could mean that they were just unlucky or it was never meant to be. But even if you take out all of those, Shopify is an amazing tool and you can create and do so much stuff with it. And create an account on Shopify is as simple as it's so easy. You just simply click on start your free trial and you answer these simple questions, right? Like, I'm already selling online, I'm just starting, click on next. You can choose what would you like to sell: an online store, an existing website or blog, in person, social, whatever it is, right? Let's go ahead and choose that. Products I buy or make myself, digital products, services, whatever it is, right? It could be anything. It could be even print on demand. Let's say with all three of these, right? And then you add in your location, click on next, and you are good to go. You can even skip all of this if you want to, and you can set it up later on, but it helps to do it beforehand. And then you just sign up with your email address. Now I'm going to be using a temporary email address, and then just simply add in the email address, and you're good to go. And you just simply create a Shopify account, and it's as simple as that. Boom, your account is now created. So Shopify literally has everything you would need. It is definitely well worth considering because it's one of the easiest e-commerce tools out there, and people have made millions of dollars out there as well, if not hundreds of thousands. And here is the dashboard, and over here you get all of your options. You can even create your own website on it, a point of sale, a shop. You can connect different applications to it to make all of your workflow smoother, and there is no hiccup. And you can upload your products as simple as just simply coming over here onto the left hand side on the product section and then just simply clicking on add products. If you already have a CSV file, you can just simply go ahead and import all of your products from other websites as well. And over here, you just simply upload the photos or pictures or 3D models, add a description, name, and the pricing, and you are good to go. There's really not a lot to talk about once coming over here onto Shopify because it's so simple. It's one of the easiest tools to use for e-commerce. So to answer your question, is Shopify worth it? The answer is yes, definitely. Do people make money on it? Of course. Do each people make money on it? Does everyone make money on Shopify? The answer is no, because there's a lot of cool stuff in play here. Some people are just lucky, you could just say. Some people work harder. Some people have made mistakes. Some people just, dedicated themselves to Shopify and they've have multiple stores. There are people who have 3 stores, 5 stores running, and they're all making hundreds and thousands of dollars for them. So it is worth it if you put your time and effort into it, learn about it, and commit to it. Find a model, and you are good to go. There are many videos online that can tell you what you need to do, how you need to do them, but the only way to actually know it is if you implement it. So keep that in mind. Shopify is worth it, but only if you stick to it. You create a regime and you stick to it and you work harder, and hopefully you will find your rhythm. You will find the products that works for you. You will find the prices that work for you, and you should be good to go. So speaking about that, let's talk a little bit about the interface of it and the websites of it. So if you wanted to create a website for Shopify, right, you would only need to come over here onto the online store. Here you will find plenty of different options. It's loading up. I don't know why it's so slow. Here you will find that you have your default themes. It's set to done. You can go ahead and customize it. You can even add themes, and you can even edit the code for it as well. There are plenty of other themes right here, and if you don't like these themes, you can find other paid themes online. There are plenty of them as well. Let me show you. So this is one of the stores called themeforce.net. Over here you can find many Shopify themes for your stores, and you can make your store really something else, like really stand out, pop, and people will like it. In my opinion, I like to go with the simple stuff, go with the simple spotlight theme, because you just want to be able to showcase your products, right? Mainly what you're going to be doing is you're going to be generating your sales through ads. People are going to see ads of your product, and then they're going to go ahead and click on the ad and buy that product directly from the ad. And if they want to come over to your website and explore, they can explore, and over here they'll find the entire catalog in front of them. It's one of the most simplest, cleanest, and easy to use themes out there. That's why I highly recommend using it. So as you can see, it's really simple. All you got are your products lined up, and you're good to go. But it depends on you. You can choose whichever one you want. As I said before, if you want to go ahead and use Shopify, and then of course you're gonna have to do a lot of research and work really hard, because it does require you to work hard. It could take 1 month, it could take 6 months, it could take a year. So you got to be willing to commit to Shopify and to the business model. But anyway, that is it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I answered your questions. If I did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification. Well, and turn on post notification. And thank you guys for watching. And until next time, take care and goodbye.